These are my barbecue chicken wings, the crispiest wings smothered in a sweet and tangy homemade barbecue sauce. And I'm going to show you the trick on how to get the crispiest chicken wings baked in the oven. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. The whole family love these crispy chicken wings. They're super easy to prepare, and the barbecue sauce can be made while the chicken wings are in the oven. We're going to start by preheating the oven to 120°C or 250°F. I've got 1 kilo, which is a little under 2¼ pounds of chicken wings, and we're going to cut each wing at the joint, so you have a mini wing and a drumette. You should be able to feel the joint in between, and that's where you need to cut. We want to dry the chicken wings with paper towels and then place them in a large bowl. Add 2 level tablespoons of aluminium-free baking powder and ½ teaspoon each of salt and pepper. It's really important to dry the wings first so they only get a light coating. It's also really important to use baking powder and not baking soda. Baking powder helps to draw the moisture out of the skin of the chicken, whereas baking soda just won't work. Also, have a look on the side of the packet and try to go for aluminium-free baking powder. Some people can detect a slightly bitter taste with baking powder that's got aluminium in it. Mix together and then place on a wire rack over a baking tray and discard any remaining coating. They're going to go on a low shelf in the oven for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, turn the oven up to 220°C or 425°F, and then you want to rotate the tray and move the tray up towards the middle of the oven. Now we're going to cook for another 40 to 45 minutes until those wings are nice and crispy. If your wings aren't particularly meaty, then just cook for about 5 or 10 minutes less. Whilst the wings are in the oven, we're going to make the super simple barbecue sauce. All of the ingredients are cooked in the pan at the same time. We're going to start by adding 300 grams or 1¼ cup of tomato ketchup to the pan. Next in goes 4 tablespoons of white wine vinegar, 5 tablespoons of dark brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of black treacle or molasses, 3 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire Sauce, ½ teaspoon of mustard powder, 1½ teaspoons of smoked paprika and ½ teaspoon of black pepper. Stir it all together. Heat over a medium to high heat until boiling and then simmer for 5 minutes. Take the barbecue sauce off the heat and allow to cool. Now the chicken wings are cooked and looking lovely and golden, take them out of the oven and add them to a bowl. Now pour half of the barbecue sauce over those chicken wings and toss everything together to coat. Plate them up with the remaining barbecue sauce and you're ready to serve. And there you go, they're my baked barbecue chicken wings. Crispy golden chicken wings smothered in a homemade smoky barbecue sauce. The perfect appetizer. Really hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell to be notified of new recipes every Monday and Thursday. See you next time.
That good, Lewis?
Mm-hmm.